There was a house here, the girl I went to school with. Now it's gone. There's not a sign left of it.
Towards the porch and the sidewalk.
Just they had a porch and a sidewalk you could see. And this is all their family around. See here how it piled up so bad. And up here, it washed out completely underneath their house. Could have been, I'm pretty sure there was a mobile home in this area that's now gone. It's just unbelievable. I don't know how safe it is for those people to be under that house, but what choice do they have? Can't imagine this happening to me. You know, we need to do everything we can to help these people. You know, got buildings broke down on top of buildings.
Not clear down there.
Yeah, you're good over here. Got a house that just turned over. It's just craziness. Be back momentarily.